Tutul was our beloved cat. White fur, round eyes. He looked like a toy. He would sit on the veranda in the morning and soak up the sun, and in the afternoon he would wash bird on the roof. One day, Tutul suddenly disappeared. He could not be found anywhere all the day. Mom was crying. I searched the whole neighborhood, but there was no sign of Tutul. 3 days later, at night, a meow meow came from the kitchen. I look and say Tutul peeking out from under the blanket of the shelf. He must have fallen asleep there playing hide and seek. We laughed and cried. It had broken our heart to think that Tutul was lost for so long. From then on, every day called Tutul the missing king, and Tutul he walked around even more proudly as if to say, I just went for a walk.